The Toyota Auris Hybrid from 2010 to 2018 includes a digital speedometer in its multi-information display, or MID. To access it, start your car and press the display button on the steering wheel or dashboard. Cycle through the available views until the digital speed appears. This digital speedometer is essential for monitoring your speed and efficiency in the hybrid vehicle. The mid menus are controlled via buttons on the steering wheel, typically on the left. These include up and down arrows for navigation, a display button to cycle through views, and a menu button for accessing settings. Use these buttons to access vehicle settings for unit changes, trip information for average speed, and hybrid system info for battery and energy flow. Digital speed is integrated into these data displays. Within the dash menu, you can toggle between kilometers per hour and MPR, adjust display brightness, and enable or disable eco mode indicators. The digital speedometer usually defaults to the center of the MID for easy viewing. Access the menu to change units from mph to kWh. Adjust the display brightness for better visibility. Enable or disable eco mode indicators to monitor fuel efficiency. Adjust settings while parked for safety. If the digital speedometer isn't displaying, first ensure the multi-information display is powered on and that you're cycling through the display options correctly using the steering wheel buttons. For software glitches, Toyota offers firmware updates through their service network. Consider checking for available updates through apps like Toyota Connected Services or by visiting your local dealer. The digital speedometer gets its information from wheel sensors connected through the car's CAN bus system. This network efficiently transmits data from various vehicle components. Recent software updates have enhanced the accuracy of these readings, fixing calibration problems that could cause slight discrepancies in speed display. If you notice inaccurate speed readings, use an OBD2 diagnostic scanner to check for sensor malfunctions or other electrical issues in the system. While the Auris is discontinued, aftermarket upgrades are available. Consider retrofit digital speedometers with larger OLED screens for improved visibility. These upgrades often include enhanced hybrid performance monitoring. Check vendors like Garmin or custom dash replacement services. Many Auris owners use the digital speedometer to track fuel efficiency on long trips, often improving their mileage in eco mode. Toyota issued OTA updates that fixed speedometer calibration errors, significantly improving the accuracy of speed readings. Experts praise the Auris MID for its user-friendly design and seamless hybrid system integration. Remember to regularly check for software updates through Toyota's service network to maintain speed accuracy and functionality. If you experience any issues with the digital speedometer, consult your vehicle's manual or visit a certified mechanic for diagnostics. YouTube channels like Toyota Tech Tips offer helpful video demos and tutorials for navigation and troubleshooting.